With the indulgence of the Secretary of the DILG, he has answered this question. But I would like to get it from the horse's mouth. What exactly were the directives of the President when you met with him in January 9 of 2015?
I was not in that meeting, Your Honor. January 9. I see. I was not in that meeting, Your Honor, Mr. Chairman. The President subsequently told me his recollection of that meeting. Legally, it would be referred to as hearsay, but as I have no reason to doubt the President, I just repeated it for the information of all. My understanding is at that meeting, the President, that meeting which was attended by General Purisima, General Napeñas, now General Mendez of the intelligence group of the PNP, at that meeting, the President recalled to me or recounted to me his recollection in which he said, sinabihan ko sila mag-coordinate sa AFP. Number one. Number two, naalala ko na kinwestiyon ko itong parang last minute, napaka last minute. Ang sinabi ko, dapat may koordinasyon para may sapat na panahon or sapat na oras na parang ma-operationalize kung ano man itong koordinasyon na to. He gave an example of kung magko-coordinate ka, mangangailangan ka ng helicopter, kailangan may gasolina yung helicopter at hindi nagbakasyon yung piloto. It was in that nature na dapat there was sufficient material time. And lastly, he said, this was already after General Napeñas and General Mendez left. He recounted that he told General Purisima na sabihin mo kay Dindo ito. Siya ang OIC at kung ano man ang mangyari dito, siya ang sasalo nito. So, kailangan alam niya ito. Yun ang recollection sa akin ng Pangulo, to the best of my memory, Your Honor.